First travel report of the new year. Happy New Year to you. And after the flooding last week, the A78 remains closed between Skelmerley and Largs just now. That's for repair work, and you've got temporary lights holding you up for a time there. Drycorn on Dundonald Road at Greenwood Road, there's roadworks and speed restrictions in use. And in Kilmarnock, Garden Street from Hill Street to Portland Street is closed at the moment. The trains are affected at the moment by the adverse weather. You have buses replacing the trains between Kilwinning and Ardrossan Harbour, adding around 40 minutes to your journey. And Ayrshire's Ferry is affected as well due to the high winds again between Ardrossan, Brodick and Wemyss Bay and Rothesay. That's the latest. If you do spot any problems, then do tweet me at Jenny Red.